morning. It's Monday, and you know what that means? Dictated spelling words. So go ahead and turn your spelling books to week 24, or grab a couple of blank Monday spelling pages, and we will get started. But first, our joke. How do you put an astronaut's baby to sleep? How do you put an astronaut's baby to sleep? The answer, of course, when we're done. Now, let's get with our first word. Our first word is yawn. I will yawn if you do. Yawn. Let's count the sounds. Yawn. Y. Aw. 3. Yawn. Y. Aw. Yawn. Yawn. Y. Aw. Okay. One syllable. Yawn. Ready? Check it. Here it is. Fix it if you have to. Pause it if you need to. Make sure you fix it. Okay, we are working on aw today, and that means we are working on predictable vowel teams. Our sounds are always going to say aw. Now, they aren't going to flip. They don't have a different sound. When you see AW, it's going to say aw, but there's another aw as well. So we have two sounds that say aw, and they're both vowel teams that always stay the same. Okay, so aw-aw or aw-au. You be the judge. Okay, ready? Crawl. Number 2 is crawl. The baby will crawl soon. Crawl. Let's count the sounds. K, aw, ul. 4. One syllable. Crawl. K, aw, ul. Crawl. Crawl. Okay, this one was AW. Okay, crawl. Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. Number 3, fault. It's not my fault. Fault. It's never my fault. Never make mistakes, even on one day. Fault. It's not my fault. Let's count the sounds. Aw, ul, t. 4. Fault. One syllable. Aw, ul, t. Aw, ul, t. This time it's not AW. Check it. Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. FAULT. That is an F, by the way. Number 4, cause. What was the cause of the accident? Cause. Let's count the sounds. K, aw, s. Caw. Cause. I'll do that one again. K, aw, s. 3. K, aw, s. What's making that s sound? What's making the aw sound? K, aw, s. 3 sounds. Cause. One syllable. Are you ready to check it? Here it comes. Pause it if you need to. Fix it if you have to. Cause. Number 5, pause. Okay, now if you take cause and change the beginning sound from a k to a p, you have pause. That should be easy. Ready? Same number of sounds. P, aw, s. Pause. One syllable, 3 sounds, and the sentence was, click pause if you are not ready. Pause. Aw, s. Okay. Ready? Here it is. Pause if you need to. Ha! Pause. Fix it if you have to. Number 6, flawless. It is perfect and flawless. Flawless. Let's count the sounds. Ul, aw, ul, s. 6 sounds. Flawless. 2 syllables. Ul, aw, ul, s. Flawless. 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 Okay, this one's, you guessed it, AW. Ready to check it? Here it is. Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. Number 7, auburn. Auburn hair is reddish brown. That's what auburn means. Auburn is reddish brown. Okay, Auburn here is reddish brown. Auburn. Let's count the sounds. Aw, b, n. 4 sounds. Auburn. 2 syllables. Auburn. What's making the aw sound? Aw. Oops, I accidentally put a capital, so I'm going to restart it. I'll fix it. Auburn. Auburn. Okay. Ready? Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. There's an R-controlled vowel in this one. Auburn. See, I started with a capital, and it's a lowercase, so make sure you put a lowercase too. A-U-B-U-R-N. Is made by U-R, and aw is A-U this time. Okay. Number 8, drawback. The only drawback is it costs money. Drawback. Let's count the sounds. D, aw, b, a, k. 6 sounds. Drawback. 2 syllables. Draw back. Draw back. Draw back. Okay, ready? Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. Drawback, compound word. Okay, one word, drawback. Fix it if you have to. Pause if you need to. And number 9 is autumn. Autumn is when the leaves change color. Autumn. Okay, let's count the sounds. Aw, t, 4 sounds. Autumn. Okay, 2 syllables, but there's a trick in this one. There's a silent letter at the end. Can you figure it out? Autumn. Okay, ready? Aw, t, Autumn. 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 Okay, ready? Check it. Fix it if you have to. Autumn. There is a silent N at the end of that one. A-U-T-U-M-N. Pause if you need to. Fix it if you have to. Number 10. And the last one, coleslaw. I want coleslaw with my hamburger. Coleslaw. Let's count the sounds. K, O, S, O, aw. 6 sounds. Coleslaw. There's an extra letter in one of these sounds because it's magic. What could that letter be? Coleslaw. All right, coleslaw. 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 That was 2 syllables. K-O-L-S-O-A. 6 sounds. Pause it if you need to. Fix it if you have to. Here it is. Coleslaw. Okay. Now the answer to our joke. So how do you get a baby, or how do you get an astronaut's baby to sleep? Give up? You rock it. Get it? Okay, now our word sort. Okay, we are working on predictable vowel teams with the aw sound. So we had AW words and AU words. Just 2 columns. Pretty easy today. Okay, go ahead. Finish up your word sort, and we will see you again on Thursday.